Mia, can you say please? Good job. Can you say thank you? Say thank you. Good job. Can you say please again? Good job. Can you say thank you? Say thank you. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you. No, Daddy's not here yet. Say thank you. Good job, but without. Good job. Thank you. Uh-oh, get it. Good job. Can you say anything else in sign language?
Bye.
Can you say bye-bye?
Bye.
Can you blow kisses?
Bye.
Yay, bye.
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 Bye. Bye. Can you give a big smile? Smile.
Thank you.
What about your tongue?